Ndị go and find work. You are jobless. Nekwa m na nọ n'ụlọ ọrụ. Almost here, Biafra. Almost here, Biafra. Hey, okay. Because no, brothers and sisters, lovers of freedom, I am looking for Adanidu. Adanidu, Adanidu, Adanidu. Okunda Adanidu anyuala. Okunda Adanidu anyuala. Who they breathe? I just know this afternoon. So see, I'm new chebu. Adanidu. Since Gumi of Idu scam Adanidu. A guy, Gumi of Idu don't guide them. You and who need revolution? Go and start revolution inside your compound. I am looking for Adanidu. Adanidu. So finally, Gumi of Idu scam Adanidu. Gumi of Idu scam Adanidu. Gumi of Idu. Who Gumi no go scam? If Gumi go fit scam Adanidu, scam am comot the Ada, comot the Idu. Gumi don't scam the Idu, comot, remain the Ada. Very soon now they go still scam the autopilot comot. You know, they go scam the pilot comot, you go remain the auto. That time you go become Ada auto. Well, that's very funny. That's very funny. Faith Ogala is crying like a baby. I beg, who carry Ada Faith Ogala battery? Who carry Faith Ogala battery? I beg, may you return the battery, I beg. No, no, here say they don't thief Faith Ogala battery. No, no, here na. I beg, when I know here say they don't thief Faith Ogala battery. Ebulugo engine ndị autopilot ga-ịkwa ọka. Engine autopilot ka ejizi akwa ọka na. Nah, this period na-atọ ogwu. In fact, this period ihe ọ na-atọ abeg onye hụtụrụ m Adanidu? Onye hụtụrụ m Adanidu? Maazị Nelly is on the run. And every time I blow Hibiana shot at time he's TK. The question I'm looking for, please, I am looking for Adanidu. Who saw Adanidu, please? I am looking for Adanidu, 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 Adanidu. Ebulugo battery Calabar Bobrisky. Ebulugo battery Calabar Bobrisky. Now, who is Cry Me a River? I beg, type on the comment section, Cry Me a River, please. I need a Cry Me a River or Cry Me Ocean. I beg, I need Cry Me a River or Cry Me Ocean here. Because as it is now, I define Cry Me a River and Cry Me Ocean. Danido, 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 Danido. Ebulugo battery Adanido. Wee jee kwụọ garị. Cry Me a River, o kwesịrị ịdị na-ere eni. As you are typing Cry Me a River, type Faith Ogala, type tag Faith Ogala, tag Owa Sofa, tag Gumi, and tag Calabar Bobrisky. Tell them that it's time to cry me a river and cry me ocean. Because ebulugo battery ha. Ihe nna wonder bụ ọma Maazị Gumi, Mrs. Gumi, aka Nelly Ofegbu, ọmgba ọ nọ na-eti Adanido, 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 ọmgba ka Gumi Ofidu ga-abụrụ battery ya. Ọmgba ka ebu LED engine of autopilot. Ị ga Fulani egologo engine of autopilot. Fulani egologo engine of autopilot. Rapụzie ha so auto golo the pilot. Now the pilot is is with the caliphate. I beg, Cry Me a River supposed to. I need to see Cry Me a River, Cry Me Ocean here. I beg. Man, are the type Cry Me a River now. Onye lole ebulegbe. Ndị autopilot auto media ga na-ala lole ebulegbe ba. Before he tetụla n'otu Gumi of Idu a dissolve go autopilot media. Adanido chisie no individual autopilot. So imagine you na motor of individual autopilot now. Ofu onye pụta opinye Abuja, onye nke ọzọ pụta opinye London, onye nke ọzọ pụta opinye Arịarịa, onye nke ọzọ pụta opinye Ore. The plane ga-anọ ofu ebe na-rotate. Na-agbagharị ihe autopilot na-emezi na because Gumi of Idu pinyere na Kaduna. Maazị Nelly Ofegbu pinye na Idu. Owa Sofa pinye na Ada. Faith Ogala pinyezie na Bonjono. Na nsị na ahụ tọgata m ụtọ today simba na I need to express my happiness in the public because this is a call for celebration. Majuke n'unu, How many years go take DOS you announce or today sit at home and tomorrow sit at home, which them and their mothers and father and family are obeying? Did you hear Chike Doziem coming on Radio Biafra to tell you, sit at home will lead to revolution? No. He only say, sit at home. Any day this dead man is coming to Biafra and boom, everywhere. Bocha, choi, 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 choi for DOS. Every day, Chaco. Friday sit at home from Gumi from almost 1 year now, and maybe only one day Friday sit at home. And nila hole blue battery. Nah, Gumi the very smart. Walai. Gumi Gumi end go career Bobrisky, Calabar Bobrisky. Gumi just end their career. If that idiot know how you want to run come off for Facebook now, he go run come off for Facebook. If Calabar Bobrisky know how he want take run come off for media, he go run. Even the revolution, if the preacher, he go teach them a small bird, they learn how to fly. Chocoloko, chocoloko, revolution, demolition, revolution, demolition, demolition, commotion. If it then kill you, start the revolution. After my yesterday broadcast, many of autopilot on a hospital now. Autopilot to cry me a river. Na so scam autopilot to go me they do. Na so scamming autopilot to go me they scam. Na so scamming autopilot to go me they scam. Na so scamming autopilot to go me they scam. Make you shine your eyes, oh. Make you shine your eyes, make you shine your eyes, oh. Na so scamming autopilot go me the scam. They don't scam me do. they don't scam me do. He do. I bet me when I tag them, they need to come and enjoy this very one. They need to come and enjoy this one because I'll be preparing this soup for them. Hey God. And they go, that is like play. They just end Calabar Bobrisky career like that. Only 1 minute. 1 minute everywhere burst. 1 minute. Calabar Bobrisky career end. Biafra Unite career end. Akbarawa goat career end. Akbarawa foul career just end. Aye. Nte ejisco ejaik nke akpo gị that is ama m na o wutere gị. O wutere gị too much. O wutere gị. Nte ejisco ejaik ama m o wutere gị too much mana diwe ibechaficha anya mmiri no scam ebulugo batrị gị. Onye bulu batrị obewe ka Faith Ogala. Unu afụkwa na Faith Ogala na-agbazi ka nkịta rape. Makachi, I just nege that lady. That lady kopugokwa o. Akpogo mo 118. That is Italian ambulance. Direct ya ka ha ga locate. Send him the video. The lady na that is honors na psycho. Ọ na-ekozi eko. Mala no mbido ka Gumi na-ebido. Na-ekebe eje. Akwobe beans akwo. Hey, can I delay the DOS? Deloma Nnamdi Kanu. Danido. Hey, mbona na go Danido. Danido Gumi another one side, ne? na calculate immediately off camera ka o tie ada na idugum ebulu batrị ya ọ dazie sọsọ ada ihe na anụzi ada bingo ada Megumi, make the question change now. Yeah, the fundraising Hannah planning on the 7th. Is it for Ada fundraising or for Idu fundraising or Abina Biafra fundraising? The only people ị ga-afụ ka nọ n'autopilot na ndị bulu batrị ha since amụ ha mmadụ dịka nwa abụm nwa Biafra onye nke a ebulu batrị ya lee the batrị onye go the batrị rent enya out even na ha matress nwuzi the batrị because elego brain onye nke a sọsọ abụm nwa Biafra bịa na maazị platforms program zaa abụm nwa Biafra ruo na Calabar Bobrisky platform zaa abụm nwa Idu isi m na onye a ma ihe kịta ọ na-azazi proudly autopilot. Are you not an autopilot again? Hapụ na nwa atụrụ. Hey, what baffles me is how Biafra Unite, who claim to be intelligent, and the Manzinelli, who claim to be educated, and all the rest of them with Calabar Bobrisky, how they were scammed once and for all. That is Gumi just ended these people's career. Gumi just ended their career. Their career just ended like that. No more career for them. No more career. Gumi just ended their career as if nothing they happened. That is it. Oh, onye fụlụ onye Idu mere ya ebere, mere ya ebere, mere ya ebere. If onye autopilot mere ya ebere, mere ya ebere maka na ezuru batrị ya. Onye fụlụ Idu autopilot mere ya ebere, mere ya ebere, mere ya ebere. Mbọchị Gumi ga-anọ nga bụkwa ọna ka ọ ga-adị. Mbọchị Gumi ga-anọ nga unu ga-afụkwa m na-enwela onwe m aṅụrị na-emela onwe m flexing onwe nke gbastalụ m nwa Achebe na-epotere ụbọchị mgbe ahụ esi m Maazị Achebe Paul you no fit say anything sị gị mba let the dead bury themselves. ka dead nye onwe ha biko nụ na ezelo m na dead. Hey, one ntọ nna enwere m much to say, enwere m too much thing to say. If you don't talk about Fulani in Biafra in the zoo, who will you talk about? In this struggle, if you don't talk about the enemies, who are you going to talk about, if I may ask you? Umu Gumi, Umu Nkapia, Umu Gumi freedom fighters. Kama Jukenunu. If you don't talk about Gumi, who will you not talk about? Ịmara na onye oshi na-ezu obodo n'ọnya ka a na-akọ mgbe niile. Gumi is a criminal, so we got to talk about criminal. So don't get us wrong when we talk about criminals like Gumi, because we put them where they belong when the time comes. So when you see me talk about Gumi of Idu, so don't blame me Rather, blame yourself for allowing yourself to be used by these hooligans that don't know their left from right. On this note, ma hapụ nje lụta obere ọlụ again maka na aka m na-eche as intelligent as Biafra Unite si na ọ dị Gumi bulu battery overnight. Go and check. Maazị Nelly si na ya ga school ebulu battery ya. Up till now, you can never hear Maazị Nelly talk about Idu or Gumi again. Or Adanidu. Adanidu. Calabar Bobrisky is gone. Faith Ogalanka, I know people who are around her should console her before quarrel. Because ihe na-eme na Gumi just munye ha ọkụ n'arụ. All the ihe niile ha tụkọta, Gumi just recall everything. Gumi gba ha 10-0 makachi Gumi play them. Agba ha game ụmụazị game a na-agba ndị Idu. Gumi ri ha, that is only che ha onye okwele enye ha change. Their pain bụ na-eri ha menyelo ha change. Nothing more, nothing less. Enwere ife ọzọ bụ their pain. Na-eri ha without inye ha change. Ọ na-enye ha change ọ ka katụ beta. Mana nke ahụ na onye akpa ọcha n'ụzọ ka akpa onye ọzọ. On this note, ma hapun, God bless Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, God bless IPOB, God bless DOS, God bless IPOB Media Warriors, God bless MAP, God bless Eastern Security Network, God bless our legal teams, and God bless every one of you. I say, may Chukwu Kaviama bless you all. And today is not for brokers, today is an enjoyment. And I have enjoyed myself. So I just come to show my happiness about the fire that is burning Gumi's family. Because the fire is too much. Or could be over. So sorry for them, nebulu battery. Obula my fault. Oh, hey, Biafra. Calabar Bobrisky is gone. Thank you, people. Send her this message because message I had in the autopilot manaro. This kind of message, haga like ya well. Oga de manaro because ote gaka half the bed this kind of message. At least kahamalukwa no neme. Kahamalu no neme no obulo by mouth. Thank you, Biafrans, and remain blessed. Catch MSN until I come your way again. Ciao, ciao. Abumunwoke, go to hell.